So guys, for the first method, I would recommend just unplugging it and then plugging it back in. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the second method, you're gonna head over with search and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. Click on it. Now once this comes up, you're gonna click on next. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the third method, you're gonna head over with search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then once this comes up, you're gonna click on the recording tab. You're gonna find your microphone. Make sure that you have it as a default device. So you're gonna click on it and then click on set default, and then the green tick will appear right here. Make sure that your microphone is set as a default device. For the next method, you're gonna double click on your microphone. Now you're gonna click on levels. Make sure that your microphone is not muted. Make sure that it's not muted and make sure that you have it turned up. And then click on OK. For the next method, try using your microphone in a different application like Discord or Zoom. If it's still not working in those applications, your microphone just might be broken. For the last method, you just want to restart your computer. See if that works for you.